Hello everyone, my name is Mohsin and I wanted to tell you guys a story of almost how 7 months ago I wanted to build a tool that would mimic me. And in order to do that, I had a process of using vector database. And well, I was using something like Pinecone or Qdrant. It was not really as fast as I wanted it to be. So I got to myself building a vector database from the ground up, and I got really obsessed with the fact that I wanted to scale up its performance, and this is where we are at. And this is not really the only aspect of why I wanted to create Antarys. The other one was that I was, well, playing around with multiple different services which reduced down the latency, specifically the part where I had to create embeddings and store them on different services. So I created this, which stores and generates embeddings all at the same time. And this is pretty cool. So this is the Antarys code, and I already have a server running, and I can just run a very quick image embedding query on top of it. And I've got to the results, and it executed the query within 0.037 seconds. The only time it took was to process the image and insert it into the vector DB. And let's see, we have a dog and we're querying against multiple other dogs. And Chroma finished querying as well, and it took 0.007 seconds, and this is practically the same result. And I've also built a Python client and a Node JavaScript client for you to be able to interact with the server without doing much curls or anything. And it uses HTTP as of now, but I do have plans to move on to gRPC. And both of these clients do support embedding generation, so you can generate and create only textual embeddings as of now, but I will be supporting image embedding generation in future. But this is just the beginning. I am open sourcing Antarys, and along with this, I already have a couple of plans to implement which I think will make Antarys much more faster. So one of the biggest ones is going to be the contiguous arrays, where we are going to store every data in flattened arrays. So that's going to reduce quantity arithmetics, and instead we're going to be using indexing directly. And yes, I also have a couple of other plans that I want to be able to bring into Antarys, and you can find all of these future plans directly in the GitHub. So I've already talked about the contiguous arrays, but I also want to be able to bring in filtered search and gRPC support for serious production servers. And you can find everything in the following repo. So this is github.com/antarys-ai/antarys. So thank you so much guys for tuning in. See you soon. Bye bye.